Just watch. Now I will show you the main Durga idol of the Shobhabazar Rajbari. Today is Navami, so Shubha Mahanavami to everyone watching my video. Right now I am near Khandamur, or you can say near Shyambajar. Today the plan is today I'll be visiting the Shobhabazar Rajbari Durga Puja 2020, and let's see how the Shobhabazar Rajbari Durga Puja 2020 is compared to the other years. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Good afternoon internet, welcome back to another new vlog. It's around 2:20 in the afternoon. I am right at the Khandamur near Shyambajar. Today I will be taking you all and will be showing you all the Shobhabazar Rajbari Durga Puja 2020 as I said before. So let's see how's the atmosphere there at Shobhabazar Rajbari. The pandal you saw on my right, that was the Nolin Sharkar Street Durga Puja. This is near Hatibagan Mode. This is the Hatibagan Mode. So I have just parked my car opposite to the Shobhabazar Rajbari. The crowd is minimal compared to the other years. You will get to know more when I take you to the Shobhabazar Rajbari Durga Puja 2020. And today is Navami, second last day of Durga Puja. So one more day left for Durga Puja. So now let's get out of my car and I will show you the Shobhabazar Rajbari Durga Puja. Finally I am right opposite to the Shobhabazar Rajbari. That is the Rajbari near me and that is the entrance. Let me see how much we can enter this time. And here is the atmosphere all around. Just check it out. Just look at the crowd over here. Nothing compared to the other years. This is the Rajbari entrance. That is the gate of the Rajbari, Shobhabazar Rajbari. And this is all the atmosphere, the scene over here. Minimal crowd has come this year. So, this is the entrance gate of the Shobhabazar Rajbari. And this is all the structures. Majority has been broken due to the aging of the building. So at entrance, everyone's hands is been sanitized and temperature check has been done there. So this is the inside first. After entrance you will get to see this in the Rajbari area, Shobhabazar Rajbari area, and this is the entry path of the Rajbari. So I am just entering the Rajbari and there is so much echo when I am talking. There is echo in this lock room, and now I'll go to a sanitizing part. Just watch. So the sanitizing, this is the sanitizing box. Here I got sanitized. This is a very good addition to this Durga Puja in this COVID situation. So I finally entered the Shobhabazar Rajbari main area. So have a first look of the Shobhabazar Rajbari. This is the Shobhabazar Rajbari 360-degree view. You can see every year before Durga Puja the walls are painted red and white. Last year also I came, and every year before Durga Puja they just paints the wall so that it looks beautiful and new also. So this is all the atmosphere over here within the Shobhabazar Rajbari. Now I will show you the main Durga idol of the Shobhabazar Rajbari. So this year the entry is restricted till this point. No one is allowed to go at the Uthun place this year, and there is a Ma Durga over there. So just check out the place where Ma Durga is kept. every year. This is the place of Madhu Escape. Usually every year everyone was allowed to go till that point, and there used to be a huge jam-packed crowd at that point. So this is a good thing that this year the entry is restricted till this point only, and that is being an additional benefit for all in this COVID period. The crowd here has all wore masks and are quite cautious. So this is the scene over here, empty, and the best time to come and enjoy the Shobha Bazaar Rajbari Durga Puja. The taste is not same as the other years, but still we have to compensate something, otherwise no one would be happy in this Durga Puja. That's why they have restricted the entry till that point only, so that everybody can see the Durga Ma of Shobha Bazaar Rajbari, so that nobody will miss out this year's Durga Puja. So have a final look of the Rajbari, Shobha Bazaar Rajbari. So this was all for this video, and if you like this video, do give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now I'll be going to another new pandal that you will see in the next video at the Tala region, Tala Park region. So stay tuned for that, and if you haven't watched my older vlogs, do give a watch. You will love it. Till then, bye bye.